Why kids do not need limits on screen time. Okay, see, now this is an interesting one. It says why screen time isn't bad for kids, but the name of the website is goop.com. GOOP.com. Are they going to have scientific research on there?
I hope so, because it's called Goop.
Probably not. Practical by default. Washington Post. Okay, that's a newspaper that I know of. Okay, so just because it's on the internet, remember, anybody like this person just came on and said why they thought.
Yeah.
Okay, letgrow.org. It's not a bad sounding website, but it's not a scientific website either. So you got to remember that when you research. Washington Post. Okay. Oh, they say they have tons and tons of devices. Okay. Hold on, I'm scanning through really quick. She hasn't really given a reason.
Maybe she just said why I will limit.
No, she's just telling what happens in her house, but she's not really saying why she doesn't listen. Limit it.
In my house?
No, she just described what happens in her house.
Oh, okay.
Okay, here at the very end. Screen time for us is still time spent together, even though it's different than how you do it. So she's saying if we're all watching a movie together, if we're sharing meals, if we're doing this, we're all still what? Yeah, still time spent together.
My family.
Okay, and that was Washington Post. We're almost done with the boring part, okay, guys? Wait, I gotta check and see if it's .org.com. Because Washington Post is a business, it's a newspaper. It makes money. .org means they don't make money.
Do we still have to be quiet?
I don't mind if you talk and add to the discussion, okay? But I don't want desks moving and pencils clanking and things like that. Okay. So she kind of only gave one reason. She basically just described what her family life is like. Okay. Because that's what it said. It just said, well, our family does this and we share memes with each other and we watch Netflix series together and we do this together and we have all these devices. That's all it said. I know because I read it. Okay, USA Today. That's another big
USA
newspaper. Okay, so it says, oh, here this one says, watching TV and video games were the two activities that were tied most to poor school performance. Okay, but other screen time didn't really show that they would. So if you were researching things or doing other things, so just watching like videos and shows and video games. So they had, this is actually a study that they show. Okay. They said it didn't have a clear indication that it was wrecking their